In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a noise suppressor and a noise gate in OBS to help improve your audio quality, whether you're streaming or recording. One thing to note is this will help improve your audio quality and eliminate some of the background noise, but if you're using a poor quality microphone or a really cheap microphone, it's not going to turn it into a studio microphone. Although it will drastically improve the quality, like I said, it's not going to make it sound like a studio microphone with zero background noise. So keep that in mind. So if you're having a crap ton of background noise and no matter what kind of settings you use, you're not able to fix it, it might be time to upgrade to a better microphone. Anyways, with that said, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and open up OBS, and I'm going to assume you guys already have your mic set up under your source and stuff like that. So what you're going to do is, under this mixer, you're going to want to find your microphone or auxiliary, and you're going to want to click on this gear icon right next to it. And then you want to click on filters. And you're probably not going to have these audio filters here, so what you're going to want to do is go down to this plus sign down at the bottom and click on both of them, and then they'll show up under the filters. So the first one, noise suppression, is pretty self-explanatory. The lower you go, the more it's going to suppress the background noise. The higher you go, the less it's going to suppress the background noise. So if you only have a little bit of background noise, you're probably going to be somewhere in this area, whereas if you have a lot of background noise, you're probably going to be farther back here. One thing to note is if you put this really far down and try to suppress every single bit of background noise there is, it's going to start to affect your overall audio quality, and it might even make you sound like a robot. So this setting, or both of these settings, both for the suppression and the noise gate, they all are dependent on your microphone, so it's going to take some testing and some messing around before you can find what works for you. So moving on to the noise gate, there's two settings you're going to want to mess with here, and the first one is the closed threshold, and the second one is the open threshold. So the closed threshold is the point in which your microphone's automatically going to mute itself once it drops below this point. So an example, if my background noise is somewhere in this area, I want my threshold to be here so it doesn't pick it up and it mutes my mic when it's just hearing background noise. The open threshold is going to be the threshold, or the point in which the volume, when your volume hits this point, your microphone is going to unmute. So an example, you want to find the sweet spots in which your voice levels automatically activates your mic. So once you set up these two filters, you'll notice that your microphone quality is going to be a lot better in OBS. If you have any questions on how to do any of this, or need help with this, or need more of an explanation, feel free to leave a comment in the comments section below. If not, and you benefited or enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like. Thank you for watching.